Welcome back to Hurricane Game Day. This segment, we're going to give you a little local flavor of South Florida. We are coming to you from one of the most famous parts of Miami, Little Havana, Domino Park in the heart of Calle Ocho. This is where the locals gather every day to play a spirited game of dominoes, chess, or checkers. Now, I came here looking for somebody in particular, and I found him. University of Miami offensive lineman, Jermaine Barton. Jermaine, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
All right, we're going to engage in a really nice game of chess here. Of course, you would figure that an offensive lineman is going to play chess because, as we all know, the offensive linemen are the most cerebral of all the football players. So, let's begin. Why are you so interested in chess? How did you get involved in chess?
Really, I was just young. Me and my cousin were bored one day, and we started playing chess. He taught me how to play, and it was more. You have to think more than checkers, so it beat out checkers. So I really started liking it.
So how does chess compare to football?
A lot. I would say the pawns are like the offensive linemen. They move up and down, create ways for like the receivers, running backs to move. These are like fullbacks. They can protect, make L's to protect the king, queen, which is quarterbacks. These are like receivers. They go up and down as many yards as you want them to go, just like football.
Not many football players, especially guys that were in high school or that are early in their college career, play chess. How does that go over with your teammates?
I mean, a few of them play, but many not really. Maybe like one or two that I know of. But I mean, I try to play as much as I can, but nobody ever wants to play me.
Is this a good escape for you away from football?
Yeah. It really just takes you away. You just think about how to win. That's all you really worry about when you're playing.
Football is such a mental game. You have to know so much, you have to know the plays, you have to visualize so many things in football. How does playing chess help you with that?
Chess, you really have to see the moves before you make them. Just like in football, you gotta know the plays before you get to the line. So if you can see the move happening before it happens, you can really just dominate in this game, just like how in football.